here. Okay, it ends at this line, imaginary line, this platform here. But if we use it and pause and resume, okay, it goes slightly further just by a bit. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so it ends around here. Okay, let's try a few times to make sure that we are actually looking at a bug and not something that is changing. Okay, so now it ended around here. Okay. Pause, resume. Okay, so interesting. Okay, so the later we pause, the further it would go. Okay, notice that it is so close to its maximum distance, and when we resume it, it disappears. Okay, we have to check the script to make sure that it does not go further than what it should do. Hey, what's up, Polaroid? How's your day? Okay, let's see. Expire on its own. Okay, so if you were using heavy wave, this would be caught continuously. Okay, to check the expiration date, so let's see. Okay, if the game is not paused, okay, the countdown will continue until the attack projectile will expire and be destroyed. Okay, but if the game is paused, okay, the countdown will not continue. And we will call the method again. So if it is working with impulse, it should be working for heavy wave. Since both of these two abilities, okay, they operate on a time-based basis, or rather they are both time-based. as they do not disappear when come into contact with an enemy. Okay, instead they disappear after a set period of time. So if the game is not paused, the countdown will continue. Okay, so if impulse works, okay, heavy wave should be working as well. Okay, let's try with roll. Since roll has more mana, that means we can test the abilities more. Okay, so with heavy wave, okay, so the distance that it can cover is not always the same. There is a small fluctuation in it. Interesting. Okay, let's go back to the menu. Okay, so for the pause and unpause, okay, we still need to make sure that it works for bosses and the various sound effects. Okay, but on top of that, okay, so for today we have added the ability for you to quit the game and go back to the character selection menu. Okay, and also for you to exit the game or resume the game if you want. Okay, so this pause and unpause ability of the game will also be installed in the new update that is coming in a few days on 20th of February. Okay, the new character eating will also be in this new update. Okay, so be sure to get the game before then. Okay, and most importantly, okay, the characters are now much more responsive as we have changed how it responds to your input. So that's it for today's live stream, but thanks for dropping by. Okay, by the way, Stars is also now out on Desura. So if you want to get it from Desura, you can do so. Or if you want to get the game directly from the White Sponge website, just go to whitesponge.com and click on the huge banner right on the front page. Okay, last but not least, thanks for checking in today. Okay, I really appreciate it, and I hope all of you have a great day ahead. Okay, so that is another good question from Crazy Miner. So there are a number of ways of going about doing this. Okay, currently, the game checks for a new version from the online server. So if the online version is newer than what you have on your computer, it will prompt you that you will need to update the game. So for example, the current latest version online is 0.04. So over here, for this version is 0.05, but if I change it to 0.03 and I start the game, it will detect that there is a newer 0.04 available online, and it will prompt you to update. So other than that, I'm also working on a self-updating tool that should be available soon, but not in the new update that is coming this February 20th. Basically the self-updating tool, which I call the Stars Updater. It is basically just a small window that has a progress bar which downloads the latest version. So what it does is that this Stars Updater will also check for the latest version and download the update. And once it has downloaded the update, it will automatically open the game or launch the game after it has finished updating. But this Stars Updater is still a work in progress, so I have not released it yet. So other than that, be sure to catch the next live stream in 2 days from now, in the same time slot, as I do stream regularly. So if you want to be alerted for when the live stream goes on, be sure to follow the channel. So have a great day ahead, and I'll see you soon, all of you. Cheers.